Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix the unable to execute file create process failed code 2 QuickSFV.exe error during installation. This error usually appears when the system cannot find or launch the required QuickSFV file, often due to antivirus interference, missing files, or permission issues. First, check your antivirus or Windows Defender. Security software may automatically quarantine QuickSFV.exe because it's used for file verification. Open your antivirus protection history and see if the file was blocked or removed. If it was, restore it and add the installer folder to your antivirus exclusions before running the setup again. Next, make sure all installation files are completely downloaded and not corrupted. If even one file is missing, the verification tool will fail to launch. If necessary, verify or re-download the files from a trusted source. Also, avoid running the installer directly from a compressed archive. Extract all files fully using a reliable extraction tool before starting the setup. Then, right-click the setup file and choose Run as Administrator to prevent permission errors. Another important step is to move the installer folder to a simple path, like your desktop. Avoid very long folder names or special characters, as they can sometimes cause execution problems. After applying these fixes, restart your computer and try running the installer again. In most cases, restoring the file, disabling antivirus temporarily, and ensuring complete extraction will resolve the code 2 QuickSFV.exe error successfully. Subscribe the channel for more videos.